Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you could properly credit creators on TikTok. So if you're taking various TikTok videos from different creators, in the usual way you could normally just tag them in the post, but that's kind of like the unofficial way to credit creators. Now TikTok has a new feature where you can directly tag the video that you reposted. So how this works is, let me just go into the TikTok camera and then let me just record something real quick. But what you would do if you were normally reposting something is, let me just go back, tap on that again. You would tap on the upload button, which is right there, if you would like normally repost a video. So for this example, I'll show you just by recording something. So let me just record something real quick. So this shouldn't take too long. So I'll just record something that's like 6 seconds, 7 seconds. There we go. So so let me just say this is an example of a video that I want to credit. So what we would do is tap on the tick mark. Then you would just go ahead and regularly edit the video that you are reposting. Then tap on next. That'll take you to the upload page. And now you have this new option here that says videos. Now, if you're not seeing that option, what you want to do is update your TikTok app to the latest version, and if it's available for you in your account and in your country, then you'll see that videos option appear. So what you need to do is just tap on videos. It's going to show you 3 different options at the top: videos you've posted, your liked videos, and then your favorites. So if you were reposting something from your favorites, for an example, then you would tap on the video that you are reposting, and now you can see here in the caption it is tagging the account where I got the video from, which is pretty cool. This is going to give creators more exposure by people uploading their content, which is pretty cool. So then you would just set your settings and post that, and that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.